What is passive income? I believe that financial awareness is very important, but it is not taught at school. Most of us were trained to focus on our studies, but never understanding the real financial situation. We believe that finding a job is enough. That is not true. I have the same concept when I was studying. The real scenario is that in order to be financially stable, we need to leverage and find different sources of income. Now, it is not difficult to find another stream of income. You only need to search online and you will find many ways how to start with it. But you must also keep in mind that it needs work and effort in order to achieve a good source of income online. Passive income is defined as an income resulting from cash flow received on a regular basis, requiring minimal to no effort by the recipient to maintain it. For short, you do not have to always spend the same hours working on this cash source once it is already established. I would say that this is one of the best sources of additional income. If you are a full-time employee and you wanted to have another source of income, this would be ideal for you. Passive income is not fixed when you are just starting. Usually, it might not even be able to cover your electric fee at the beginning, but once you have this long enough, it could even go up higher than your monthly salary. Why making passive income so important? First, you can work anywhere in the world. I know it could be boring and unproductive if you have been working on the same job but not feeling any satisfaction with it. We often work for the same hours, the same salary, and not because we enjoy our job, but just for the sake of earning. To make it worse, it is not giving us fulfillment or satisfaction. When you found your passive income and put this to work or make a source of income out of it, then you will feel not obliged to do this. Rather, you have this interest and enthusiasm to work on the passive income. For instance, someone who likes photography may start an online business about photography class. You will surely enjoy this extra work, and at the same time you could earn another source of income. Second, you can give yourself a raise. We all know that as full-time, we are stuck in the same monthly salary. It is usually not enough to cover all our liabilities. However, with passive income, you have chances of earning more because it is not controlled by the company you work with. It is like a small business you own. Depending on the demand, you may have more income and would vary from time to time. Once this passive income of yours is already well established, it could even replace your full-time job. Third, you get to work now and pay over and over. This sounds really exciting. Who does not want this? All your hard work pays after a long run. Let us say you finally establish your own online business. Once that it is on the internet, you will surely have audience. That means you have the potential customers to whatever business you have. This could give you extra income for as long as you have your business online. Fourth, You don't have to trade your time over money. The reason why most businessmen are rich is because they value time over money. It means that they hire people to do the job while they find other ways to earn more. If you are an employee, you are spending most of your time at work with a specific amount, which is your salary. Your income will never change unless you get an increase. Unlike the businessman, he uses money to do the work for him so he can find more ways to increase his cash flow. Fifth, you don't have to worry about being fired. Again, being an employee, we are not certain how long we can stay and work for the company. Therefore, this tells us that our source of income is not forever. It is natural for us to find another source of cash flow to guarantee stable financial status. Sixth, you don't have to be away from your family. High-paying jobs normally require work away from home. Since you can do the passive income business anywhere technically, you can stay all the time with your family if you want to. This way, you can also be with your children when they are growing up. Sometimes, this is the stage that one or both parents miss in their life for the sake of securing the family's future. If you feel that this is the kind of life you want, it is not too late to start. You can make a difference in your life right now. I have a guide ready for you to read to help you start making this dream happen. Start your journey with our free ebook. Download it for free and make your dreams come true.